Welcome to our comparison of two powerful desktop processors, the Intel Core 1 to 12,900 kilofarads and the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X. Today, we'll dive into their specifications, performance metrics, and value for money to help you decide which CPU is the right choice for your gaming or productivity needs. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i9 to 12,900 kilofarads shines with its 16 cores, providing exceptional multi-core performance that excels in demanding tasks like gaming and content creation. Its boost clock speed of up to 5.2 GHz allows it to handle intensive workloads with ease. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X, with its 8 cores and a boost clock speed of up to 5.4 GHz, offers an excellent balance of performance and price, making it a great choice for gamers and productivity users alike. While the i9 to 12,900 kilofarads may lead in raw performance, the Ryzen 7 7700X delivers impressive capabilities at a more accessible price point. Power consumption is another critical factor to consider. The Intel Core i9 to 12,900 kilofarads has a TDP of 125W, which means it consumes more power, especially under heavy loads. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X has a lower TDP of 105W, making it a more power-efficient option. This difference not only affects your electricity bill, but also impacts thermal management and cooling requirements in your build. If you're looking for a processor that balances performance with energy efficiency, the Ryzen 7 7700X is the better choice. Finally, let's talk about price. The Intel Core i9 to 12,900 kilofarads comes with a premium price tag of $676, reflecting its high-end performance capabilities. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X is priced at a more affordable $399, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers who still want solid performance. When considering your purchase, think about your budget and whether the extra performance of the i9 to 12,900 kilofarads justifies its higher cost for your specific needs. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i9 to 12,900 kilofarads and AMD Ryzen 7 7700X are excellent processors, each with its strengths. The i9 to 12,900 kilofarads excels in multi-core performance, but comes at a higher price and power consumption. The Ryzen 7 7700X offers a fantastic price-to-performance ratio and lower power usage, making it a great choice for many users. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.